Hello, welcome. So guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a second channel on YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Are two methods to create next channel. I will show you how to do it. Okay, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is log in on your account and later click here on the switch account and leave all channels. We click OK, and now as you can see, you here have option like create a channel, and you may add a channel name. Yes, I must click I understand that I am creating a new Google account with own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Right? Okay. And it is first method. And second method is click on the switch account again, and here on the add account, and you will create next account on other Gmail. It was on this method was on the same Gmail which you has on actually YouTube channel, and it will be on others. Yes, and that's all. First you create here Google account and later YouTube account. Okay, so thanks for watching. Leave like, subscribe, you may write a comment, share to others to help them. Thanks, bye bye, see you next time.